Feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just a little lost? In our fast-paced world, it's easy for our spirits to feel drained. But what if there's an ancient source of comfort and restoration readily available to you right now? The Psalms offer a profound connection to peace and strength, a balm for the weary soul, speaking directly to our deepest needs and anxieties with timeless wisdom. Consider Psalm 23, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." It's more than just words. It's a powerful declaration of trust and provision, reminding us that even in the darkest valleys, we are guided and protected. Or Psalm 51, a raw and honest prayer for repentance and renewal, showing us the path to forgiveness and a clean heart. These aren't just poems, they are living expressions of faith, hope, and the profound love that can heal and transform us. So if you're seeking solace, a renewed sense of purpose, or simply a moment of quiet strength, open the Book of Psalms. Let its verses wash over you, restoring your spirit and reminding you of the enduring power of faith to bring healing and peace to your life, today and every day.